To join the Souls RNG Discord server. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this following video, I'll show you how can you join the Souls RNG Discord server. In order to do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So to do it so, you want to make sure to open up your Discord application or open up a browser and type in discord.com. You could also use an application. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So here I'm going to type in discord.com and click the open Discord option in the top right and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Here you want to click on the plus button in the bottom left hand side corner of your screen and click on join a server. So here you want to make sure that it is exactly how it is, that is Souls RNG. Then click on join a server. Once you do it so, it's going to take you to the next field where you need to go ahead and select a role, customize all that, and with that being said, you could go ahead and just click on the next button, follow it up and follow this all and click on the next button, and you'll have successfully joined the Souls RNG Discord server. So that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.